So my people them, me be the father of Afro comedy. I come in peace. My peace I bring to you. So, story day. Me I don't know which way we go do for our own African people there. Before they kill themselves, then self. You know, we have said if you have lived in Europe, but first, I don't know why you will live in Europe 10 years, 15 years, and you don't see no woman to love. My brother, you do fool yourself. You get a problem. 5, 10 years in Europe, you do deceive, get them, sleep them, dump them, jump from one woman to the other. After 10 years, you go rush go Africa, so you won't go bring Miss Right. You are fooling yourself. And they talk, they say law of karma, it will hold you. You understand? It will hold you because there is no way you will live in Europe for 5, 10, 15 years and you don't see somebody to love. In short, you are the problem. Not that the women are. We don't get the problem. You can live in Europe for 10 years. Before coming to Europe, you have a wife, you have a fiancé. That one is a different story. That one is understood. That one will understand. You had a link up, you had an agreement before you travel. Not the one where you don't get no issue. You just travel, come. You go stay here, you work out, you deceive, get them. You sleep them, dump them. You eat their money, they go sweat you, you eat and you take and go follow different girl. For last fight, you want to go bring some Miss Right for somewhere in Africa. My brother, Miss Right them, they plenty. And I'm happy for them. Everybody wants to travel now. You know, the country is strong. Even if you work, you know you see the money. So everybody won't go out. So if you don't care, you prepare a place for here, they just come and receive somebody to come and enjoy, go come now. You understand? So we are the problem. We Africans, we are killing Africans. I don't know. The problem with get up for Cameroon president now, he don't kill all our youths. They don't kill all our youths for war. Now for Europe, the young one, they use them again, the men them again, they still die. I don't know. It will come for some stage where we know we'll get men there for Cameroon. Look at this young man in Australia. Now the news work can't talk. He don't live for Australia, Sydney, Australia. He don't work in money. He has made money. And he has not found somebody to love. He don't see nobody who will love. We even chop the money. We understand how you work, they work money for the country. They call them say, and even the last one in America, the person was from the West now. This one, he is still from the West. Mr. Ken Fang Martin. Now engineer, he get good profession. He make better money. He leave all the girls, they don't go carry one girl now. Fine girl. You leave the girl there. You just say go be there. Somebody must service the girl. Somebody must take care of her. Because you are here doing things. You don't expect her to just sit. And unfortunately it happened. Say before you want carry the can't collect them, somebody you don't score. So you discover now say somebody don't score. You never score na one goal, score na double goal. You crazy. You crazy. You think it's the only thing you can do. Kill yourself. Now your family also, that gay family not lost one bit. That girl doesn't have an issue. You are the problem. Nobody can blame her. You know? So make it tell you say, no, but let me not bring it. She's already in the West now. She's going to stay there. She will give birth to those children. She will take care of the children. She will have another man to take care of her. You sure you don't lost. Your family don't lost. You understand? You would have there on the tonton. This one that lesson for all those men the way the tonton here. You say you won't go find me. We don't get problem. It will work for some people. But how many? How many? The question is how many? You there for Europe. If you don't know for fine woman, I go see. Queen Mother there for Germany here. It is who people that up. Log in for a page. Follow ye. Call ye. Talk with ye. Queen Mother. Follow him for a Facebook page. If you do live all time. If you want a woman. Queen Mother will connect you. If you want a German home, go give you. If you want Africa white, he go give you. If you want America, he go give you. If you want Africa, he go give you. Why you spend your money go far away, far away? If you don't know how to search, contact. You know, Mama Taraku Dede, it is supply, it is hook people up, it is change people. Sorry, my phone. It is change people. Mama Taraku Dede, it is hook people the up. Queen Mother there for Germany, it is hook people the up. What do you want? You don't go kill yourself. Mumu, you know what? You know no enjoyment. You kill yourself for sick woman. Where the woman, somebody will come collect her. Continue from where you stop. I don't know. Me, I not think say West people they foolish so. I not sure so you come up for West to show. This name so I'm not sure. So Clarence, you don't. Somebody don't give you double bar, double picking. We not go blame you, my sister. You two the hustle, you know. Now hustle you come hustle. All the slave queen of Africa they won't come here. So if una carry money here, una go they go come and na so they go the frustrate una because una safe una not safe. Una don't work and una deceive girl for Europe. Una the work and go sleep girl for this side, go come out go sleep for this side. Even chop so one their money. Frustrate them, beat themselves, leave them. Born pikin will they abandon them. Then you won't go bring Miss Right. Well, I don't know your story fine, but just the fact say you kill yourself as a woman, you are a fool. You are a nobody. You are a mumu. You are a ngombe. Aye. This life where you switch so you decide to kill yourself. See our country. Amber fight don't kill all our youth them. The small one will get about Germany. We not the kill on ourselves. So smarter we no go get youth. We no get men them again. How we go do now with the woman there? The woman they will surely kill man now. So there one Cameroon man go to get there so 12 woman he want because the men they up they die finish. So my brother, if you do watch this video, you see me so. No kill yourself, Oscar woman. And woman there for Europe, America, the whole West woman they day. If you see say you need help, you contact Queen Mother Dede, Mama Taraku, they will hook you up. That one at least you know if you kill yourself, you already know the hustle. Where you go bring new woman with new mentality. Yeah, you need to train them. If you train and work, you train. If you train and not work, that one not your problem. But if you get relationship the way you don't keep up to the top before you want travel, that one not be bad thing. Go collect your woman. You know them very well. Even if you go don't do one or two things, you say we did, you do one or two things at least. Now balance equation. You know, no man no be stick, no man no be firewood. The guy no be stay for Cameroon for 10 years, he kill himself over 5 years. You know. So you get to accept them. What? Mr. Nkemfa, may your soul rest in peace. You want a hot die. Cameroonians, they find athletics there. 5 people they do high jump. They need see them. You go high for Australia, for Sydney there. You go do your own high jump. Now for commit suicide. Would they need high jumpers there for Cameroon? You go do your own for kill yourself. You are a mumu. Man say you are a finger. So the fear surround you sweet you. See they can't hide your way, jump. Una see him, kill yourself.
Jesus. Ah. Jesus.
See I fall a bagari. Backsman. This one so, not be mumu. Una tell me. If na your brother, he is a dumbest. He is a, I don't know the adjective to qualify this type of foolishness. You see, he is gone. I don't know when Mumu it will finish. Another Cameroonian. Kill yourself for love. Well, may your soul rest in peace. And the souls of the faithful departed rest in perfect peace. You don't go. We know if we call you back. But this is a lesson for so many other men with the outside there. I don't need talk all time. You know, I don't need talk all time. No need. You find, search. You go get somebody where you love her. Search with open heart. You go get somebody the way you love her. If you only look woman where you exploit her, my brother, you no will ever see woman where you love her. No woman not doing a ready-made. Everybody they make a woman. Every woman they make a man. So try, take adventure. No, do a trial for find your own tool. You make her up. Not the one way you don't leave her. Somebody don't take care of the girl for Africa. So today you want your can collect her from me because you don't make money. No, it doesn't work like that. You know. No. So my brother, make with the learn. Make things like this, then make with the thing, you know. It not be worth it at times, you know. For just to spend money unnecessarily because you want to find some special woman. There's no special woman. Women are made. You feel build your own. You feel form your own the way you want. You know, if you work things out with you, you know, no matter how difficult, women for the West, they understand the hustle. Even when they disagree, but when they get a common ground, when they agree, when they make when they live when life on. You understand? All women can hustle. The women they can hustle, and now from there so the difference. But there is always a common ground where we can meet and we agree and we start building our lives. Huh? Not the worker for you, bomb give get belly, abandon it. You run, you go there, you give that one belly, abandon it. You sleep with Balo go follow you. Women they too is the same, it's vice versa. Some guys they want taste all boy there. Nine. You do work and find some fine boys, so you want get king or this kind of boy. All those things them, they go turn back for now. So make we learn. Make we learn something. You know, when we move out of our country, there are a lot of things we have to learn. You know, my brother. So it's rather unfortunate they say because of love you are gone. Foolishly. You die foolishly. You know, even if Papa God for heaven, it will be very wounded. I don't know. They will lashite you, they'll give you casting goal of them where because you die like a foolish man because of woman. Yeah, it's not there for no place. God not be saying me you die because of woman. Say woman cheat. If you swear God say for your whole your life you not cheat. Well, my people, every day they learn. When things they happen, so we go learn. Our brain go open, our eye go see fine. Because this life you not get part 2. So I'm just keeping it real. Hey, I'm the true father of the Afro comedy. Hey, so keep watching Afro comedy. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to this channel because 2021 is our year and we are coming for you. We will provide you with the best content you want. So stay blessed, stay safe.